Everybody agrees about the perils of PowerPoint. The slides are pointless. They do not add value. There's too much text on the slides. The imagery is subpar. Yep, I get it, but yet we see PowerPoint and co being abused on innocent audiences daily. So here is how to use PowerPoint for good, not evil. Cull your existing slide decks ruthlessly. Ask yourself for each slide, do I need this particular slide? Does this slide help, or can I just talk to this point? Consider combining some slides as well. Any image, even a still unchanging image, draws attention away from you. So use PowerPoint and slides sparingly. You want the attention. On the other hand, an image, even a still unchanging image, draws attention away from you. So use them. That's right. Audiences may enjoy a brief shift of focus away from you to a video or a picture, and then of course, back to you. According to science, pictures can be worth 1,000 words. Are you telling a story or talking about a specific place? Show a picture of that person or place. You got some stats to talk about? Show a simple pie graph. Use strong, high-quality images. I like unsplash.com to find these images, very helpful. I use cryptic images too. Images that are seemingly incongruous or downright strange, but they allow me to introduce an idea or a concept. If you're using an infographic, and I hope you do, make them your own. The use of cryptic images and your own infographics shows professionalism and expertise. I also rely on slides to guide me in the same way notes do. I see a certain image and I know what I'm going to be talking about for the next few minutes. It's downright Pavlovian. You don't have to use PowerPoint from the start of your session or all the way through your session once you've started using PowerPoint. Are there high points in your presentation during which you want to maximize attention? Consider a blank slide or turning off the projector entirely. You don't want the audience still gazing at a slide that was relevant 10 minutes ago when you're now talking about something else entirely, especially if it's particularly personal or important. Oh, and look, if it's a short presentation, less than 15 minutes, a fairly straightforward one, you have my permission to skip the use of PowerPoint entirely. You're welcome.